In this lecture, we are discussing on three helper verbs expressing desires and volitions. They are somehow overlapping in a certain degree, but each addresses with a different tone or mainly used in a different period of time. First, Mihashi, indicating a wish for a coming or a possible situation. It is used with the imperfective form, relating an action or a situation which is not yet happened. Mihashi indicates either a desire of a future result caused by the speaker, close to tai in modern Japanese, or a wish to see an action by others, close to te hoshi in today's expression. 猿様のこと、白姫させもほしげに覚いたりしかば。そのようなことを理解しようとなさるご様子ですので。Next, Tashi. This word eventually merged into modern Japanese as it became the word tai, which indicates a desire as a most basic expression. In classical Japanese, Tashi became widely used from the medieval time, has a feature to be adopted and applied to replace Mihashi in early writings. ありたきことは、まことしき文の道。可能なら手に入れたいのは、立派な文学の才能である。The last word in this group is Baekje. Once again, this is a word which merged into the modern Japanese as it, without changing its shape and its meaning in a fundamental manner, became a very basic expression, Baekje. As what does it mean in the modern Japanese? Baekje indicates a presumption with a clear conviction, like ni chigai nai in modern Japanese, or a strong wish, 必ずしよう, or simply a definite instruction and command, せよ in today's language. 西に向かわせたまいで、御念仏さぶらうべし。西の方にお迎えになり、みほどけのご名をお唱えなさいませ。See you at the next lecture.